Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstration showing out this. It's a fantastic travel keyboard, probably one of the most petite but powerful keyboards I've had a chance to use. And it does come with this. It's a fantastic travel sized mouse that's going to be perfect if you're in the airport going on a trip or you just need something you can carry with you. It's by Protoarc and it does come with a fantastic carrying case that will fit both the mouse and the device itself right in here. So folks, if you're looking for something that's really fantastic, I think you're gonna dig this. We're gonna give you all the product details and tell you all about it. So let's go ahead and kick it off with a video about this fantastic product, which I know you're going to love. All right, stick around. We've got something really awesome coming up. And so folks, what's so fantastic about this keyboard? First off, it is super thin and lightweight, and it connects to multiple Bluetooth. It does have that full keypad, which is important to me because I use it a lot. I do a lot of accounting and a lot of paperwork. And I really do like the carrying case as well as how petite this little mouse is and how it connects with USB-A right into the side of my computer to where I have a great experience every single time. Now the keyboard you can toggle through Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, etc. But there's a lot of ways to connect and it's just that easy to set up. Now an easy on and off switch and a range of DPI to where if you're a gamer, if you're having fun, anything like that, this is going to be perfect. Even if you're maybe somebody who designs in Photoshop and has to get real perfect with your DPI. So what else is great about it? Well, it's from a tremendous brand. Protoarc is doing it time and time again and has great action on this keyboard. So if you're looking for something that's absolutely fantastic, you're going to trust Protoarc. They have a great user manual that is written in easy to read English. It has a transmission of about 10 meters, which is almost 30 feet or so. You can be far away from your screen, which is great for presentations if you've got it on a projector or anything like that. You can be away from your laptop, still using your mouse, still using your keyboard, and you can toggle between multiple devices. So a really fantastic option. Has all the keyboard shortcuts you could ever want, and again, the great carrying case that we're going to show you up close and personal here in a moment. I'm going to give you all the details. But yeah, if you're looking for something that is next level, really impressive, a great keyboard, well, guess what? This is the bee's knees, and it's the cat's pajamas. So you're going to check it out, and you're going to love it. All right, stick around for our up close portion of the video. We're going to show you even more. All right, folks, we're looking at this. It's Protoarc's foldable keyboard. It's a full-size wireless keyboard and mouse combo. It's the model XKM01. This thing's fantastic. It does have the number pad built in. I'm very excited about that. I've been messing with it a little bit. The dual Bluetooths, really the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's got all the function buttons and everything you need. 2 command buttons, 2 option buttons, your function, and again, the entire number pads. That's a big deal. When we look at the device itself, we have the 2.4 gigahertz keyboard plus Bluetooth, dual Bluetooth, the 3.7 volt, 5 microamp working current, so it's going to last a long period. And the battery capacity is 2100 mAh, and it's going to be rechargeable with USB-C, just like pretty much that's the standard across the board for your devices. And the color is gray and black, which we'll get to it here in a moment. The DPI on the mouse is anywhere between 1000, 1600, and 2400. The rolling rate is 2.4 gigahertz, 250 hertz, and the Bluetooth is 125 hertz. Operating voltage is only 3.7 volts, and working amperage is 5 mAh, which means it's really going to last. And the mouse has a 300 mAh battery. Yeah, that's pretty impressive as well. All right, so again, it's foldable keyboard device from that great brand, Protoarc, that I'm a big fan of. Now, I gotta show you, look at this thing. Look how beautiful this is. A very smart keyboard. Let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can really see those keys. Now it's got your function F1 through 12, F1, 2, 3, 4. And then it's also got all of your like brightness adjustment, toggle the different screens, the zoom, the plus, the play, the mute, everything in there, including volume control right at the top line. That's a smart design. We've seen that before. It does have your entire keyboard and your screen capture right there, your numbers lock, etc. Your Bluetooth 1.2 and your other connection there. And really a smart device, okay? So what else can I tell you? It is super petite. Look how small that is, right? Now on top of that, you do get the mouse, and the mouse has a very silent click. Very quiet. You can select, and you see the USB right here. Now both of these are USB charging, USB-C. Just like your standard smartphone, you can plug that in just about anywhere. And the DPI on this is fantastic. Plus you get the mouse wheel. It's kind of a metallic mouse wheel. They really went above and beyond with the quality on that. But what I like is this carrying case, this handy dandy carrying case. I gotta show you up close. This is included. This is included. It has a nice carrying handle, very soft on the hands, a rubberized texture, and good quality zipper to where you know it's not gonna break. And this protects your mouse and your keyboard. Here's your stand, so you can travel with it. I'm a big fan of this company. They are a premier brand. And if you're looking for something that's built to last, you know you can trust them. Monogrammed even, right? Boom. A little dust off there. High quality, easy to travel, and you can put that in your backpack, carry it with you, and you can use this just about anywhere. Now, because it's got the dual Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi 2.4 connection, you can go ahead and have multiple users connected, like Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2. I'm using the keyboard, Amy's using the keyboard. That's very stylish. I got a lawyer friend who uses this exact model, and he keeps one in his conference room so anyone can just jump on and use it, whether it's with a USB or with the Bluetooth. And again, just gets put away so easily, so neat and convenient. All right, folks, the brand is Protoarc, a phenomenal brand, bringing you great quality products. You can see USB charging, so you're not having to swap through batteries, of course, and just a great design from top to bottom. The rubberized tips to where it's not going to slide around. They've really thought of everything here, and I gotta show you just how thin this is. Look at this, look how thin this guy is. Isn't that tiny? Less than a half an inch, folks. That is tiny. That's taking up no space and folds up. How nice is that, right? All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing you the products that we absolutely love, the stuff that's the bee's knees, and the CATSPAGJAMAS, cat's pajamas, folks. Go ahead. You're going to love it. You won't be disappointed. And also, the keyboard's instructions are straightforward. You got a charge indicator, Bluetooth indicator, USB indicator, light power switch, the right button, the DPI switch, the USB-C charging, Bluetooth light, switch mode, and USB receiver. Everything in that instruction manual is easy to read, and I know you're gonna like it. All right, so if your question is this a great keyboard for travel, for multiple laptops, and for ease of use? The answer is heck yes. All right, I appreciate you. You're all fantastic. You're wonderful. You're great people. And don't forget how advanced this super duper mouse is too. Goodbye, my friends.